Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave forecast video day. My name is Eric. Today is the 4th of May around 6:45 p.m. and today we're gonna take a look at Royal Caribbean and the soon to happen opportunity for the buyers. Before we go in there, let me explain to you guys what and how a 5 weeks advance looks in the Elliott Wave Theory. It looks this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, in which each subdivision is subdivided in 5 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that makes 1. 3 bags make 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or lesser degree make 3. 3 bags make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 1. The reason that I'm explaining this is because Royal Caribbean is showing us a very nice Elliott Wave structure, a way that within the grand super cycle it comes in 1 ABC 3 weeks back in blue that it finished in 2009. From there, Royal Caribbean has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes 4 another wave 2. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. That is called an S. And another 1, 2 is called a triple S. An S is something like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's exactly what Royal Caribbean did. Now, from there, Royal Caribbean explodes to the outside and makes the wave 3 in black. From there, put back and forth, a bouncing 5, and now it has 1, 2, 1, 2, a 3, very nice subdivide, and Royal Caribbean is putting back in the wave 4 in black in red right there. From down, we're gonna downgrade Royal Caribbean. And what we're gonna have? We're gonna have Royal Caribbean there coming back into a blue box area. What we like is that this wave 4 and Royal Caribbean is gonna end between 233 157. From there, we would like to buy Royal Caribbean again. Royal Caribbean should see buyers at 232 157 area. And right there, we should see buyers that it can see a target that is going to take us to an area between around 401 453 area. A very good opportunity. It's a very well defined structure. In Royal Caribbean, from 233 157, you can see the 458 the 435 area. But the structure is a beauty. It's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 in a triple nest. And it's a very defined area to enter starting at 233. This is how we apply the Elliott Wave theory in Elliott Wave forecast. Always we define the areas, always we provide the targets. So 233 should be when the wave 4 in red ends in Royal Caribbean. That area should produce a bounce or a rally to the 435 area. So if you like how we explain the market, please take the current promotion. You can save up to 500 in plans. This promotion will end by the middle of this week. Take advantage, otherwise you can take the trial, which is 2 weeks for $4.99. So buy Royal Caribbean at 233, looking for a $200 rally. Thank you guys all. See you guys around. Have a good night, everyone.